If you're over 60 and feeling more unsteady on your feet lately, this might surprise you. The problem may not be in your knees or hips, it could be in your ankles. Ankles are like the body's early warning system. They're packed with tiny sensors that help your brain track where you are in space. But when they get weak or stiff, often from years of underuse, your balance takes a serious hit. The good news? You can wake those ankles up again. In this video, I'm going to guide you through 2 powerful but simple ankle exercises you can do at home, using just a chair, a step, and a resistance band. These moves are designed to help you rebuild ankle strength, improve balance control, prevent slips, stumbles, and falls. Even if you haven't exercised in a long time, don't worry. These are gentle, adaptable, and safe. I'll walk you through each step with clear instructions and visuals. This routine is part of your foundation for rebuilding stability from the ground up, literally. Before we begin, ask yourself, do you ever feel your ankles wobble when you step off a curb? Do you avoid uneven ground or hesitate on stairs? Do you sometimes feel like your legs are strong, but your balance still feels shaky? If you said yes, you're in the right place. And while you're here, tell me in the comments, I'm starting with my ankles. Let's show others they're not alone. If this video helps you feel more confident, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might be struggling quietly. Don't forget to subscribe to Senior Vitality Hub for weekly routines to strengthen your body, restore your balance, and reclaim your independence. One simple habit at a time. Let's talk about something most people, even doctors, often overlook when it comes to balance: the strength and mobility of your ankles. We often focus on our hips, knees, or overall posture when we feel unsteady. But what's actually making the difference between steady and wobbly is happening lower, at the foundation. Your ankles are responsible for tiny, constant adjustments that keep you upright. They're packed with something called proprioceptors, special nerve sensors that send real-time messages to your brain about your position. Imagine you step on a slightly uneven surface, maybe a small crack in the sidewalk. Your ankles react before your brain even has time to think. But if those proprioceptors are dulled from age, injury, or just disuse, the signals are slower, the reaction is weaker, and you stumble. And yet, so many people ignore their ankles completely. You might not even realize it, but when you hesitate before stepping off a curb, when you feel wobbly walking across grass or sand, when you look down to double-check your footing on stairs, your body is telling you, your ankles need help. This doesn't mean you're broken. It means your balance system is asking to be retrained. And yes, you can retrain it. That's what we're doing today. These next 2 exercises are targeted, proven, and very practical. They don't just strengthen your ankles. They help rebuild that fast response system between your joints and your brain. And here's the best part. You don't need a gym, fancy shoes, or long sessions. Just a few minutes a day can unlock real changes in how you move, how stable you feel, and how confident you are walking into each day. Let's get started. This first exercise is one of the most powerful ways to restore strength and responsiveness in your ankles, especially the calf muscles that support every step you take. It's called the single-leg calf raise on step, and here's how to do it safely. Stand up straight on a step. Place the step in front of a wall or close to a rail for support. Walk your feet backwards so that your heels hang off the back of the step. Move your weight onto the leg to be exercised, lifting the foot of your other leg off the step. Keeping your knee straight, rise up onto the ball of your foot. Control the movement as you lower your heel back down and repeat the movement. Take your time. Don't rush the lift or the lowering. The real benefit comes from that slow, controlled motion, especially the way down. What's happening during this exercise? Your calf muscles are engaging. Your ankle is stabilizing under pressure. Your brain is learning how to trust the signals from your foot again. Tips for safety and success. Use a wall or railing for balance. This is not a test of bravery. It's about safe, functional training. Start with 5 to 8 repetitions on each leg. If it's too difficult to do single leg, begin with both feet together. That's okay. What you should feel: a gentle burn in your calf, pressure on the ball of your foot, slight wobbling. This is normal and means your stabilizers are working. What to avoid: locking your knee, bouncing up and down quickly, letting your heel drop too low below the step if that causes pain. Over time, this simple movement can give you back the push-off power you need for climbing stairs, walking on slopes, and improving your overall balance confidence. Remember, the goal isn't to feel exhausted, it's to feel activated. Now that we've strengthened the back and bottom of your ankle, let's work the sides with the next movement. Now let's strengthen the muscles that stabilize your ankle from the sides, often neglected but absolutely critical for balance. This next move is called the resisted ankle inversion in sitting, and you can do it comfortably from a chair with a simple resistance band. Here's exactly how to do it. Sit upright in a chair with a resistance band tied in a loop. Place the band around the base of your toes on your affected foot and secure the other end around the leg of the chair. Ensure there is some tension in the band. Turn your affected foot inwards against the resistance of the band, keeping your heel in the same position on the floor. Control the movement as you bring your foot back into the neutral position. This exercise trains a motion called inversion, turning your foot inward, and it's essential for controlling your balance when your foot rolls unexpectedly. What's happening during this movement? The muscles around the inside of your ankle are activating. You're building control over sudden shifts in foot position. Your brain is learning to detect subtle movements again. Safety and execution tips: keep your knee still. The movement should only come from the ankle. Start with 8-10 slow, controlled reps on each side. Use a band with light resistance at first. You can increase over time. What you should feel: light tension on the inside of your ankle, controlled resistance, not strain. Subtle activation that builds over the reps. What to avoid: jerking the foot quickly, letting your knee move side to side. Overstretching the band. Control is more important than range. Why this matters: this is the kind of strength that prevents a minor misstep from becoming a major fall. It gives your ankle the lateral support it needs to keep you steady during unexpected shifts, like stepping on uneven ground or pivoting. With these two exercises, the single leg raise and this resisted inversion, you've targeted the most essential muscles and sensors in your ankle complex. But I know you may still have questions like, how often should I do this? Or, is it normal to feel wobbly at first? Let's address those now. Let's quickly cover some common questions I hear from seniors starting ankle routines like this. How often should I do these exercises? Start with 3 to 4 times a week, and as your ankles get stronger, you can increase to daily practice. Even just 5 minutes a day makes a powerful difference over time. Is it normal to feel shaky or tired after? Yes, a little instability or mild fatigue means your muscles and proprioceptors are waking up. But if you feel sharp pain, stop and rest. Always listen to your body. Can I still do these if I have arthritis or neuropathy? In most cases, yes, especially the seated inversion exercise, which is gentle and controlled. But if you have significant foot pain or nerve damage, talk to your doctor or physical therapist first. How do I know it's working? Look for small signs. You feel more stable getting out of a chair, you hesitate less on stairs, you recover quicker from small missteps. These are wins. Celebrate them. Repetition is key. The ankle is like any other part of your body. It gets smarter and stronger with consistent use. And remember, this isn't just about muscles. It's about retraining your balance system to respond faster and more precisely. If you found today's routine helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more seniors discover these exercises. And comment below with, "I'm starting with my ankles." Let's build a strong, encouraging community of people taking steps, literally, to feel safer and stronger every day. If you're ready for the next level, check out our upcoming video on how to retrain your hips for better balance. It's the perfect follow-up to today's session. Don't forget to subscribe to Senior Vitality Hub and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly guides for staying mobile, independent, and strong after 60. You're not powerless. Your body can adapt and improve at any age, and the journey starts from the ground up with your ankles. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.